I have a Dell laptop whose model number is Dell Latitude 7490. In this laptop, problem is hang. Any laptop in this situation, first of all check number 1 keyboard. Now I shut down. Now battery remove. Here keyboard connection remove. I remove keyboard connection, then I check laptop is hang or not. Battery connected. Now power button press. Here booting process Windows. Now I check laptop is hang or not. Now you can see laptop is proper working. After keyboard disconnect, you can see here cursor is properly moving. Second option is here. You can see CPU thermal heatsink check try or not. I check. You can see here CPU thermal paste dry. Now you can insert new thermal paste. Now insert new thermal paste. Here CPU area. Now check. Power button press. Now you can see thermal paste remove after replace new. You can see properly work. Number 3 last option replace new hard drive. Here you can see I remove old SSD here and I insert, you can see, new SSD hard drive. Now check. Power button press. New hard drive in place after, you can see laptop is proper working, cursor is moving.